The LG Ultragear 34GS95QE-B.AEU is a 34-inch ultra-wide OLED monitor that combines high-end gaming performance with professional-grade visuals at 3440 by 1440 QHD resolution. This display offers a wide field of view that is perfect for immersive gaming, multitasking, and creative work. The ultra-wide format enhances gameplay, allowing you to see more of the action and providing a deeper sense of immersion in every game or application. OLED technology is the standout feature here. True blacks and vibrant colors make a noticeable difference, especially when paired with DisplayHDR True Black 400. Dark scenes are richer and more detailed, while highlights maintain clarity without overexposure. The DCI P398% color coverage ensures that colors are accurate and vivid, which is critical for both gaming and content creation. The monitor's speed is another area where it excels. With a 0.03 milliseconds gray-to-gray response time and a 240 Hz refresh rate, motion is ultra-smooth and ghosting is minimal. Competitive gamers will appreciate the fast reactions this monitor enables, but even in fast-paced action games, racing titles, or cinematic RPGs, everything feels fluid and responsive. The combination of ultra-wide aspect ratio and high refresh rate gives a level of immersion that standard monitors simply can't match. Connectivity options are robust, including DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.1, and USB-C with DisplayPort Alt Mode. This versatility makes it easy to connect gaming PCs, consoles, and laptops, while the integrated USB hub simplifies peripheral management. Switching between devices is seamless, and the monitor's multiple input options ensure it can handle a variety of setups. Design and ergonomics are thoughtfully considered. The monitor features a minimalistic frame with subtle RGB accents and a fully adjustable stand, allowing tilt, pivot, and height adjustments. This flexibility ensures comfort during long gaming or work sessions, while maintaining a clean and modern look on any desk. OLED panels can sometimes experience burn-in, but LG includes features such as pixel shifting and screensavers to reduce this risk. For typical gaming and creative work, these precautions are sufficient, and the risk of noticeable burn-in is minimal. The software and on-screen controls are intuitive, offering customization for brightness, refresh rate, and HDR settings. Multiple profiles can be saved for different use cases, whether gaming, HDR movie viewing, or professional color-critical work. This makes the monitor adaptable to any situation. In real-world use, the LG Ultragear 34GS95QE-B.AEU delivers exceptional performance across all scenarios. Gaming is smooth and visually striking, while creative tasks benefit from color accuracy and screen real estate. The ultra-wide format enhances workflow, allowing more content to be displayed simultaneously, which is especially useful for video editing, programming, or multitasking. While this is a premium monitor, the combination of OLED contrast, high refresh rate, accurate colors, and ultra-wide immersion makes it worth the investment. Whether the focus is competitive gaming, creative work, or general productivity, this monitor is a standout choice that meets multiple needs in one sleek package. For anyone looking to elevate their gaming and productivity setup, the LG Ultragear 34GS95QE-B.AEU offers a rare combination of speed, color accuracy, and immersion. Check the link in the description to get this monitor today and experience next-level performance and visuals. Unique YouTube description: upgrade your gaming and productivity setup with the LG Ultragear 34GS95QE-B.AEU. This 34-inch ultra-wide OLED monitor offers QHD resolution, 240 Hz refresh rate, and a 0.03 milliseconds response time for smooth, immersive gameplay. Enjoy stunning visuals with true blacks and vivid colors thanks to DisplayHDR True Black 400 and DCI P398% coverage. Perfect for competitive gaming, content creation, and multitasking. This monitor combines speed, accuracy, and immersive ultra-wide visuals. Get your LG Ultragear 34GS95QE-B.AEU now through the link in the description and take your setup to the next level. Subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews, hands-on insights, and expert buying guides.